in question number 6 from Check Your Understanding in Module 6, Lesson 1. We have a toy rocket's height after being launched is given by the following formula. H of t is negative 4.9 t squared. This should be plus 24t, where h of t represents height in meter and t represents the number of seconds. When does the rocket reach a maximum height? What is the maximum height? So what we need to do is graph this equation and then find the maximum. So if I bring up the calculator, we want to go to y equals, I actually have that entered already just to save time. So it's negative 4.9 x squared plus 24x. You enter that into y1, and then we hit graph, and we can see the parabola. So in order to find the maximum, or the vertex, we go second trace, and this one happens to have a maximum, so we choose number 4. I want to be just to the left of it, hit enter, then I take the cursor to the right, hit enter, and then hit enter, and it will give me a maximum at x equals 2.45 and y equals 29.39. So x equals 2.45 and y equals 29.39. Now the height was meters and the time was seconds. So when does the rocket reach a maximum height? That's the time at the maximum. And what is the maximum height? That would be the 29.39. The next question, B, after how many seconds does the rocket reach a height of 18 meters? Now 18 meters is a y value because the height was y. So if we go to our calculator, go back to y equals, we can set a second equation at y equals 18, hit graph, and we'll see that the rocket is at a height of 18 meters 2 separate times, on the way up and then on the way down again. So technically there's 2 answers to this question, on the way up and on the way down. So after how many seconds does the rocket reach a height of 18 meters? We want to find the intersection point of the 2 lines. So we go second trace, we choose number 5 for intersect, and then we just go enter, 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 and the cursor lands on the point of intersection. So when x is 0.92 seconds, y is 18 meters. So it will hit a height of 18 meters for the first time after 0.92 seconds. You could find the other one as well just by going through the same process, but you just bring your cursor over to the other side. Then the last question says, how long is the rocket in the air? Well, what our graph looks like is it goes up and then it comes down. So the rocket goes up in the air and it comes down and it hits the ground here. So this length of time right here is how long the rocket has been in the air. So we need to find this x-intercept, which on the calculator is a 0, is what we want to calculate. So we go back here and we go second trace. This time we're going to choose number 2 for 0. And I want to calculate the 0 on the other side. So it's first asking for a left bound. So I take it to the left, I hit enter. Then it asks for a right bound, I hit enter. And I hit enter a third time. So that means that it's in the air for 4.89 or 4.9 seconds. So that's how you'd use the calculator to solve that question.